When Narendra Modi talks about Srinagar, from the floor of the House, from the floor of the Parliament of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, I on many occasions have reminded Mr. Modi that you are talking of Srinagar, that Kashmir is your integral part. We consider it as our jugular vein because this was something which was categorically stated by the founder of the nation. But make sure and be aware, you look towards Srinagar, I look towards New Delhi and Lal Qila. And a Muslim flag was hoisted once, not for a year or two, but for hundreds of years on Lal Qila. So Mr. Modi, beware. Stop killings in Kashmir. Stop the Muslim genocide in Kashmir. And the right and the due right under the Constitution, under the international law, all the requirements of international law were fulfilled when the state of Juna acceded to Pakistan on the 15th of September 1947, in respect of which negotiations got started how to move forward, because communication, foreign affairs and defense under the Treaty of Accession were given to Pakistan on the 15th of September, and on November 9th, the Indians, they did the same aggression which they did in the Indian occupied Kashmir. They did the same in Junagadh. Inshallah, we'll keep our minds afresh. We will never let the spirit of freedom and independence and the purpose for which Pakistan was made and the unfinished agendas, we'll never let them dry out. We'll keep them in our mind and make sure that we make Pakistan so strong that inshallah a day will come when we will reincarnate and reinvigorate and restart that accession, and the world goes with power.